name is Onja Razafindratsima. I'm an assistant professor in the Department of Integrative Biology at UC Berkley. I am broadly interested in tropical ecology and conservation, with a special focus on research related to plant-animal mutualistic interactions, community ecology, and primate ecology. A large proportion of the recent work in the lab focuses on plant-frugivore mutualistic interactions, particularly seeking to provide new insight to long-lasting questions on what are the impact of frugivores on their food plants. This goes from the individual level to population and community levels, and also how different frugivore species or groups may vary in their seed dispersal services. Is there any complementarity or redundancy? And finally, how might the loss of these frugivores affect forest integrity and ecosystem functioning? These questions have important conceptual implications for understanding the dynamics and structure of biodiverse plant communities, given that the seed rain generated by the animals form an initial template from which the plant communities will develop by influencing the interactions of dispersed seeds with other plants, as well as with other organisms and with the environment as a whole. Such knowledge can also help in predicting which species might be most sensitive to the loss of frugivores and what might be the consequences of such loss on the ecosystem. Research in the lab often involves extensive fieldwork to observe the interactions as well as to survey the diversity of the communities. We also do some experiments, these are usually in the field, to determine seed fate. So basically seed germination and what happened to the seed after it has been dispersed, all the way into like seedling recruitment and so on. Most of our fieldwork has been conducted in the rainforest of Madagascar with a focus on lemurs, such as large-bodied ruffed lemurs and brown lemurs. We have also been collaborating with other research groups working in other tropical systems as well. Other ongoing research projects in the lab also include investigating the dispersal mechanism of large seeded plants that don't have the extent seed dispersers in their range, so these are known as orphan plants. Another project is assessing the impact of habitat fragmentation on plant frugivore mutualistic network, and we are also interested in documenting the importance of galls, the galls on the plants, in the diet of these animal frugivores. And there are many other projects that I'm interested on, as long as they are related to tropical ecology and conservation in some ways. But if you would like to learn more, feel free to email me or check out our website as well. Thank you.